when I get rich off this channel, don't worry about it. I'm gonna be taking hella trips, be buying hella clothes.
You ain't talking about my niggas and what you talking about.
Oh, here we go. Here we go.
I don't need security, bitch. I got my motherfucking husband, period.
Hey guys, so we're trying a new breakfast brunch spot. It's called Nouveau, and this is in Jonesboro. I'm so excited. It's so cute. See, it's so pretty. They got the music, got the drinks. I think they sell hookah in here. We about to see what it's giving. Finally made it inside. I wish I took a video on the other side of how big it was. It's really nice in here, y'all. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna act like I gotta go to the bathroom so I can give y'all a tour. See, we on the back side of the bar, right? But look how big the bar is. It go all the way around. Period. All the way around, It's big as hell. It's so cute in here. Then that's the seating. Where is the bathroom? Oh, they even have outside seating too. And then I guess the DJ booth was over there. But look at the wall. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Shut. I wish I was photogenic. I would take mad pictures. However, the bathroom is given 7-Eleven. But that's okay. Bathroom is definitely given 7-Eleven. Period. But here I am. This is me. My Coach slides, my Coach bag, my jeans, white t-shirt, same glasses from Forever 21 period. I'm gonna start shopping, y'all. Yeah, I don't be shopping like that, so I'll be wearing some stuff, but that's neither here nor there. When I get rich off this channel, don't worry about it. I'm gonna be taking hella trips, be buying hella clothes. Look at that, that's mad pretty. Like, and then the lighting is so bomb in here because the whole back wall or the whole back window is open. But yeah, y'all see the whole back wall is window, and then behind us is window too. It is so cute in here. I'm so excited. Miles got shrimp grits. I got catfishing grits, and we gonna share. Y'all, so Miles got, what you get? Don Julio and pineapple juice? Orange juice. That looks like pineapple. But anyway, so I was like, let me get Hennessy, cranberry, and pineapple. Miles like, Hennessy? You was just drinking Don Julio last night. I should have vlogged last night. It was too loud. It's kind of loud in here. Thank you. That's so cute. Amen. Alright, first taste. This looks good as hell. Look at them peppers and onions. Alright. Is it good? Alright. I want some of that stuff.
It's different, dude.
I'm just trying to figure out why we only got 3 shrimp.
That's all you got. Oh, no. They don't play the movie.
We trying to figure out why we only got 3 shrimp. Like, it's good though. Y'all, now we going live while we eat. Is your food good? Your food good? You don't like the grits? Update. The food is good. I would never eat out of a cup like this ever again. It's cute for pictures and shit, but you can't really get into it how you want to. And then the cup is up to my chin. I forgot to tell y'all that the food was good. My phone had died and I forgot for a second I was vlogging. Don't ask me why I got on a sweater.
Burn the fuck out of me.
But now we're about to go get funnel cake. Are you excited? I love trying new stuff. I feel like that's our thing. Today we tried different, well, this will be the second place. We tried the restaurant that was new, and then now we're trying funnel cake. Well, not funnel cake, but you know what I'm saying, the funnel cake place. And Miles is just over there unbothered, smoking his vape, like, Sanaa is back there looking like a Bratz doll, smoking her vape. Like, I just want a hookah. Okay, y'all, so we're here, and it says these are the best funnel cakes we'll ever have. So let's see. They got funnel fingers, deep fried Oreos, deep fried Twinkies. Who in their natural born life will eat some shit like this? That's disgusting. Ooh, they got red velvet. It's really low-key like a concession stand. Those popcorn kernels. Y'all, who does this man think he uses this fucking pinky nail? It's giving pimp, okay? It's giving I drink my drink. It's giving I drink my drink with my pinky up. Ooh, child. That is my fucking end, okay? Then you gotta be speeding. You feel like you're at your grandma's house in the summertime. God. Y'all, I forgot to even tell y'all the funnel cakes was good, even though they were sweaty. Cause by the time we got back, they had cooled off. But we spent all day at my aunt's house. I didn't even show y'all the funnel cake or nothing. Like, I sucked. But anyway, it was good. Nothing too super spectacular. It was just a regular funnel cake. Miles had got the red velvet. My allergies are excellent. Miles had got the red velvet funnel cake, and it just tasted like a regular one. But I would go again. It was good. But now we're back home. As you can see, my hair is a mess. I'm about to get in the shower. And that's going to conclude this video. I need to take an allergy pill because my eyes are itching very bad. Anyway, so yeah, see y'all next video.